Want to know how you can easily make $200 to $800 a day just by posting faceless videos online? Yep, you heard that right. With this simple system, you can start earning unlimited commissions of $200 over and over again. And guess what? You don't even need to show your face. Imagine making $400 a day. That's a six-figure side hustle right from the comfort of your home. This system gives you everything you need, pays you unlimited $200 commissions, provides training on how to generate traffic and advertising for free, provides you the website, provides you the product, does all of the selling for you, does 100% of everything for you. All you have to do is post videos and let the system work for you. It's that easy. Start now. Remember, the system does 100% of the work for you. It's time to turn your free time into cash. So, what are you waiting for? To know more details, visit our website.